Mock-ups and prototypes can be really helpful to any woodworking project. I'm asking for your help to determine which of the two mock-ups I've created are correct for our Blacker-inspired dining room chair arms. The front chair legs are a rhombus. The chair sides are 80 degrees to the front of the chair. And the top of the arm is in parallel with the sides at 80 degrees to the front of the chair. So a transition needs to take place somewhere between the front of the leg and the top of the arm. That transition happens somewhere between all of these curves. Option A has the curves running in parallel to the face of the chair. This leaves a side profile that matches on the outside and on the inside of the chair. The transition is that the curves are not square with the arm, so each curve is a sort of a transition. Option B has the curves canted 10 degrees, so they fall perpendicular to the chair's sides and the front of the arm. The profile of the outside of the arm is slightly different than the inside to make up for the different radii that need to be taken. The transition takes place near the top of the leg with the front curve, and under the arm there's a transition of 10 degrees also at the first curve. Here they are again. Option A, parallel with the front of the chair. And option B, canted 10 degrees to the front. Place your vote, A or B. And if you know what the original Blacker chair design does, leave a comment below.